Hi folks, Simon here. I've been killing myself at work today because one of the guys brought in a surprise. I'm going to share that surprise with you shortly. It is worth the wait. Welcome back. If I look like a cat that got the cheese, biscuit, milk, anything, or the mouse that got the whatever, then I got every reason to. This is just incredible. Can't say thank you enough to the guy who gave him Pete. I'm not going to say his surname Pete, but what a top bloke. He's done this for me. Absolutely fantastic. He's an artist as well, so he's an IT guy, but he also does art. I'll put a link to his art page in the description below. Have a look at it. He's actually a really clever guy. Really clever guy. Just don't tell him I told him that. What am I jibbering about? You want to know? Bang, bang, bang. Yes, a C64. Basically, Pete was helping his at his parents' house and went into the loft to help clear out and came up with a C64. Thought of me. But wait. That's not too exciting. It's not. But two C64s is. How cool! Now, and I've just noticed one of these does have a label on that says mainboard fault. So that's something you're going to be able to have a look at. Shall we have a quick look inside? Or do I show you what else we've got? Right. Yeah, you got to see. You ready? Really? Are you really ready? Yes. That's right. A floppy drive as well. A 5 1/4 inch floppy drive. It's still got the cardboard in to protect the heads. There it is. It's just incredible. What else is there? There's just loads. Right. Look at this. The original book. Couple of games. Yes, it's all in the big bag down the floor here. He wants the bag back tomorrow. A tape drive. Oh, wait. Another tape drive. Oh, that one's... Shall I get some more out? So, yeah, the original brick type power supply. Apparently these do have some faults on, which I'll be going through and try to fix. And it's just like this great big rat's nest of wire. And at the other end of this rat's nest of wire is another power supply. So that's a brace of power supplies. Oh, tell you what, they're quite heavy, them things. A Master Shot joystick. That's going to get some grief shortly. And I know there is more. There is more. Discs. So we'll put a few bits to one side. In fact, I'll pause the video, move things around, and we'll have a quick look through the discs. Okay? Here we go, a plethora of discly goodliness. Freeze frame, ultimate transfer tapes, tape disc to disc, and it's all there as well. Okay, so it's seen better days, but it's there and alive. Can't wait to plug that cartridge in and see what happens. Hopefully there'll be no smoke. Game killer. So that looks like the joystick that he's given us with it, that one there. So game killer, what does this make it for? Ah! So this, oh that's a shame. So it's part of the freeze frame. Okay, that's good. Well, I can look at that because that's got the freeze frame information in there. Supreme Challenge. Oh my lord, there's the tape. Can you see that? Elite. We have got Elite. And this looks as though somebody's been using Supreme Challenge. Sorry, oh no. Look at that. I seriously hope this works. So that's actually, there we go. The Sentinel, Tetris, Star Glider, Elite and Ace 2. Yeah, so I'm going to have to, oh, Elite. This is just so awesome. Peter, mate, you have no idea. You really have no idea just what this means. So, what else have we got in here? Font Master, Print Master, blank discs. Boot Guardian, Reach Over Moscow, Beachhead, Chess, Aliens, Lord X81, wow. Boot, Air Hockey, Eagle's Nest. Oh yeah, I remember that. You used to have to put tape over the edge of the 5 1/4 to make them, was that read only? I think so. Robocop, Star Glider, Star 81, Commando Bombjack, rest of the disc US. Boot Light for Saxon Warrior. B dash, is that Boulder Dash? Parrot. Blank disc. Oh, look at this. Some blank discs. Now I was checking on eBay, and blank discs, it's like 12 quid for 10. Next is Print Shop Graphics, Print Shop, somebody like the printing. Dictionary 2 work disc, Superscript 64 Dictionary Master. Okay. What else have we got? Fast Hack'em, 3 discs. GEOS. Why don't I know GEOS? That's the operating system, I think. Seem to remember. Parrot 2. Peter's discs folder. Oh, Pete. That looks like it could be a blank disc. Roadrunner, Football Manager, Mission something. EastEnders? Really? Airwolf. Chess. This is just fantastic. I can't say, I keep on saying it's fantastic too much here. Have I got this tray the wrong way around? I think I have. Yes. Okay, I can read them a bit easier now. Skyfox, Orange Squash. Jumpman, this is just incredible. Please, Game Killer. There it is. Oh my good God. This is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in 2 parts. A number of parts actually. Sorry, I'm going through these while talking to you. I hope you don't mind. Oh, who remembers this paper? Now, my dad used to work at an engineering company, and he used to come on with reams of this paper, the fanfold paper. It used to be the 132 column wide stuff, so it was gigantic, about that thick, and it had all the specs of all the engines because he worked for Cummins Engines, and it had all this information on there that meant absolutely nothing to me. It was just paper. And right now, it would probably be so much against GDP and all that kind of thing. It would have been marched out in seconds. The size law. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video where sorry, I'm not ignoring you. Honest, I'm not ignoring you. Yes, I'm going to do another video, and I will complete the sentence this time, where I test the power supply, because obviously I'm not going to plug in this power supply not knowing the condition. So I'll do some testing on the power supply. I've already had been while I sat at work, and instead of working I've been digging around finding out things about this. So I'm going to find out and test the power supply properly, get it all written down. I'm not going to script it up. I don't do scripting, as you can probably tell by the way that these go together. And we'll go through, make sure the power supplies work shortly, and then we'll check one of the one that says it's okay. We'll look at getting that plugged in and see if we can get some information on the screen, and a little bit of a bit of fun our way. Awesome. See you guys soon. As I've said previously on other videos, if you don't mind, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, and also if you do subscribe, press the little bell next to it, then you'll get notification when I upload a new video. Also, if you can tick like or dislike, I don't mind which. Obviously I would prefer a like, but if you want to dislike it, that's fine. But if you do dislike it, please leave a comment, let me know why, so that I can improve. I just want to be able to make these videos, share with you what I'm doing, and if I can improve in some way, I'll gladly do that. Thank you all very much, take care, have fun.